Okay, so we're going back together. Of some excitement this week. We're at 1,000 subscribers, so for a tiny channel, that's a bit of a landmark to get to that point. So thank you for everyone that subscribed. Baranis, the most seductive wheels in the world? Well, I think so. Today's little job. Someone asked the other day, do I do Alfa Romeos? I'll do ones like this. It's lovely, isn't it? So, a bit of a teaser. We're going to do a proper film on this, if you'd like one. Now I need a pair of seats. We haven't got any, so we're going to have to make some. So that I can fabricate. I can make that. That can be done. But you need the courage to have a go, to make a mistake, and then try and fix it. That's a better way of doing it. So should we have a look at what's involved? Yeah. That's the one, isn't it? It's Easter weekend, so wish you a peaceful Easter. No matter what faith or creed you are, live long and prosper. Money can buy you lots of stuff, enough Charlie to choke a horse, all the optics drained in the bar, tasteless clothes, whatever. But it can't buy you class, and Paolo had it in spades, and that's the only thing I can say about him. So, rest in peace, Paolo. It's, you were a class act. Good night. So members meeting this morning, up with the lark. Did you enjoy our silent movie last week? So I thought I'd put some sound and a bit of explanation on it this week. We're looking at these Ducellier switches. Now they're French. You're going to say again, why didn't I just buy a set? Well, try going down the Fiat dealership and saying you want some of these little link bushes for your 1975 Fiat 130 coupe. And I don't think they'll be talking to you for long, will they? Probably call the cops. So we've got a nutter in. So this is built when things were proper built, wasn't it? Built when men were men. Anyway, let's look at the job in hand. Yeah, 1954. Did I say 52 earlier? Aging it more. Well, there you go. It's 70 years old, so it's it's a fair vintage, isn't it? Now, I've never actually seen one of these plates on an Eckhold before, so I thought that's quite exciting. I was pleased with that. But I love this sort of stuff. So, yeah, a man obsessed, a man possessed. I don't know which one it is, really. My love of all things Fiat, particularly the Fiat 600, sent me down a rabbit hole. It looks a bit like this. So, anyone know what that is? Ready? This one's back from its Euro trip. Amphicar, the car that swims. Don't forget put the plug in. So that's the most important part of the procedure, is it? Now, would you believe that rust is a problem on Fiat Dino Spiders? Or any Fiat for that matter. Shocking. I'm not suggesting it's an easy job. But I think it's quite doable. Front end of a coupe, it wouldn't matter if it's 2 litre or 2.4, but you've got to marry it to a 2 litre rear. Does anyone remember my theory about what I call the platform? It certainly sacrificed itself. A little trouble with the wiper motors on Roma. What you want to be careful of when you're working on these is the asbestos. I'm just having a look at these brake calipers. So these are Maserati ones. They're not dissimilar to Dino ones actually. So, or rather 2 litre Dino ones. We'll have a look, see what I'm doing on the bench here. What do we got here? Bosch setup, magma-ready coil. I don't know what all these wires are, we'll have to work that out. Ballast resistor on there, and we're still running the regular points, but we're going to get rid of this lot, all this lot, and I think we'll go Dynaplex. And here's the brackets, that's where your Dynaplex will go, but not just any Dynaplex. Repaired the wipers, as you've seen. We're also doing a little job on it, a little tune-up. So it's valve clearances, which is done, set the carbs up, that sort of thing. But a little bit of leaking around the gaskets, so I thought we'll have the tops off and have a look at it. Who takes classic and sports car? See, I do. And this month's especially exciting. You want to get in here, page 153. There we are. So a fun little article by Martin Buckley about my Fiat fridge fetish. So, oh, not very, that's out of tune, isn't it, that one? That one's all right. Do you like it? Well, this looks familiar, doesn't it? See these on Dinos, and we've seen these on the window lifters in the on the Ghibli and so on. Well, on the Mistral rather. With those lights sorted, I was reassembling the rest of it. and the cooling fans. Blow your hat off. What we're going to call that? A success. We're back at the Bologna show, Automoto di Epoca. Little trip to Italy, and as ever, the best garages are found under the arches. So today I'm here at University Motors. I say when life brings you ice, go ice racing.